Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about Matplotlib. This is the fifth video, and the topic of this tutorial is about axis range. The outcome of this tutorial is about an image like, as you can see here. We can set different range for the axis as well as in the y-axis. Okay, this is pretty simple. The first thing that we need to do is to load the library. And in here, I use Matplotlib and also NumPy. And yeah, also similar to the previous tutorial, you can feel free to look at this link where there's a bunch of materials such as how to set the axis plotting, also like have a twin y-axis. For this tutorial, I'm gonna make some artificial data for the y and x. So for the y value, we can understand it's like temperature during a day. So during a day, we'll have hourly data of 24 value. This is random value using NumPy random function. And then we also create another x array with a length similar to the y-axis, y array. And then we go to plot the figure. Here we will create three figures. As you can see here, all three figures is in one row and in three columns. So that's why we specify the number 1 and 3 here. And the figure size is just the size of the figure that you see in the picture. And then for the first figure, we use the function plot. And we put the first argument is x, and the second argument is y, and the color is blue, and LW is stand for lightweight. And in order to set the x range and also y range, we use the set x lim. In here I indicated from 0 to 24, so you can see that is we go from 0 to 24 for the leftmost figure in the x-axis, and also in the y-axis we can set is from -4 to 4, so it will go from -4 up to 4. And then in the second figure, which is the middle one, instead of setting x lim and y lim, we use the function, the attribute axis, and we put letter tied. This means that it will tie to the plot. For example, in here we in the leftmost figure we will see that most of the data, the line is centralized in the middle, zero horizontal line. However, in this figure, it was tied from -4 to -1.5 and up to 2 instead of up to 4 as in the leftmost figure. And in the third plot, we see that if we make an equal axis and also y-axis range, then the figure look not very pretty. And so yeah, that is I think that is all for this tutorial. Very simple. Just use the command and set the range that we prefer. And for this section of the code, it's just about setting the horizontal and vertical lines. And yeah, that is all then. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials, and feel free to ask me any questions if you have, and please subscribe my YouTube channel too. Thank you very much.